I'm Nighat Chaudhry, a professor of practice at Habib University, and I'm so happy to announce Habib University's inaugural lecture of the Lady Fatima Endowed Chair, Women in Divinity. The first guest speaker is Dr Larisa Jasarevic, an inspiring woman, anthropologist and beekeeper from a village in Bosnia, where her research and work revolves around climate ecology and climate futures. Dr. Larisa states that bees just might be the solution of survival in our damaged planet. I'm also very excited to hear her insights around metaphysics of the heart, which she presents through an Islamic lens. This is an invitation to all of you to come and attend her lecture on the 5th of September at 5 p.m. at Habib University.